Let's be real. You see the potential of Bitcoin, but actually buying is really confusing and risky. What if you mess it up? That fear is the biggest thing holding you back from even starting. But in the next 5 minutes, the fear is gone. I'm going to walk you through the exact 3 steps to buy your first Bitcoin safely. This is your first. Let's go. First, you need a trust platform called an exchange. For everyone in the US just start out, I recommend using Coinbase or Kraken. Why? Because they are simple and secure. They are like the training wheels for crypto. Your goal here isn't to be a pro on day one. It is to get in the game safely. Your first task, go to one of their website, sign up and complete the identity verification. It is the boring but essential step first. Get that done, you are built your freedom. Alright, your account is set up and funded. Now for the exciting part, making a trade. Log in, find the buy or trade button and select Bitcoin. It is selected as BTC. Now here's the key. Start small. I'm talking $50 or $100. This isn't about getting rich. It is about learning the process. You will enter the amount, review and the order, the click confirm. And just like that, you own Bitcoin. It is a powerful feeling, but now comes the most important step, the one that most beginners completely ignore. Leaving your Bitcoin on an exchange is like leaving cash on a park bench. Convenient but incredibly risky. Remember this phase, not your keys, not your crypto. You need to move into the wallet you control. For your first time, a free software wallet like Exhaustus or Wallet Trust is perfect. It's just an app you download. Here what you do, open your wallet, find receive for Bitcoin and copy the long address. Then go back Coinbase or Kraken, go to the send or withdraw, paste that address and hit send. Yes, you pay a small network fee. Think of it the cost of absolutely security. It might take a few minutes or arrive and waiting will test your patience. But when you see that Bitcoin appears in your own wallet, that's when you are truly in control. Let's recap. Step 1, choose a major exchange like Coinbase and get verified. Step 2, fund your account and make your first small Bitcoin purchase. Step 3, move it to your own software wallet to secure it. That's it. You have no longer on the sidelines. You are taking a proactive side towards understanding the future of money. The door is now open. It might take a few minutes or arrive and